Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to learn more about median. Median, it is also a measure of central tendency. Median, what is median? For ungrouped data. Median for ungrouped data. So what is median? Median is the middle observation of the given raw data when it is arranged in ascending or descending order. When the data has n number of observations, a data has n observation, when n is odd, when n is odd, n plus 1 by 2 th observation is the median. So when n is odd, n plus 1 by 2 th observation is the median. When n is even, the average of n is even, the average of n by 2 th and n by 2 plus 1 observations. So here n is odd means n plus 1 by 2th observation is the median, and n is even means the average of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation is the median. Now let us discuss the median for ungrouped data. Find the median of 5, 3, 1, minus 4, 6, 7, 0. So for this one we need to find median. So first you have to write it, given observations. So what is given observations? 5, 3, 1, minus 4, 6, 7, 0. Then next we need to take this data, we need to take arranged, either ascending or descending. Ascending order I am arranging. Ascending order. Ascend minus 4, 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here once you have to calculate the number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of observations equal number of observations equal 7. 7 means it is odd number. So the median equal n plus 1 by 2th observation. So what is n here? 7 is the n plus 1 by 2. So n plus 1 by 2 means 7 plus 1 is 8 by 2. 2 1 are 2 4 are. Means fourth observation. So what is the fourth observation in ascending order? This is first one, second, third, fourth. So here median equal 3. Now one more example, that is find the median of 10, 20, 14, 16, 12 given observations. Given observations equal 10, 20, 14, 16, 12, 18. Now you can arrange the ascending or descending order. I am arranging in ascending order. So you can arrange small to big, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now you can find number of observations. Number of observations equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we got it. Number of observations is 6. 6 means it is even. Even number of observations are there in the given data. Now the median is the average of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1 observations. So n by 2 value here how much here? 6 by 2 and 6 by 2 plus 1. 6 by 2 means 6 1 the 6 3 the 6 1 sorry 2 1 the 2 3 the 2 1 the 2 3 the means 3 comma 4th observations. So what is the third observation? 14. And what is the fourth observation? 16. Therefore the median equal, third observation is 14 plus fourth observation is 16 by 2. 14 plus 16 that is 30 by 2. 2 1 the 2 15 the. So here for this data median is 15. Now median for group of data. So median equal L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H is the identity. So what is the median? L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here L means lower boundary of the median class. So L equal lower boundary of the median class. Of the median class. Next n by 2. So n. What is n? N means number of observations or total observations. Number of observations. Next CF. What is CF? CF means cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Frequency of the class preceding the median class. Next F. What is F? F means frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class. Next H. H means size of the class, median class, size of the median class or length of the median class. Any one we need to take. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear friends and students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.